Hello everyone, this is SurajBaviskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel SurajBaviskar Trading. Today we'll review Australian Premium Solar India Private Limited IPO. So looking into company's business, Australian Solar Panel India Private Limited is manufacturing both monocrystalline and polycrystalline solar panels. It also offers EPS services. EPS means engineering, procurement and construction. It products cater to residential, agriculture, and commercial installation. So, in short, this company is working for a solar panel related stuffs and providing EPS services. Moving to IPO related information. So, IPO is opening on 11th of January and closing on 15th of January. Company is eyeing for total 28.08 crore IPO size, and IPO lot size is 2000 shares, and having IPO price range is 51 to 54 per share. So total 54 into 2000, if you consider rupees 1,08,000 rupees we have to allocate or keep us aside for applying to this IPO. This IPO is basis of allotment will be on 16th. You will come to know whether you got IPO shares or not, and if you are lucky, your shares will be credited to your demat account on 17th of January. Otherwise, refund will be done on the 17th January. This IPO is listing on NSE on 18th of January. Moving to financial information of Australian Premium Solar India Limited IPO. Revenues for last 3 years has increased and PAT is also increased significantly. So financially company looks good, and this IPO looks good. Guys, this IPO review is for educational purpose only. I am not SEBI registered advisor. Consult your financial advisor before applying IPO. Thank you.